There's a new listing today. Oswal Pumps made its debut, listing at a 3.3% premium. It continues to trade higher. The shares opened at 634 on the NSE, and the issue was, of course, subscribed as much as 34 times the overall. We spoke with the company's managing director, Vivek Gupta, about their plans post-listing. Listen in.
I just wanted to start with, now with the eventual listing of the company as well, what are you looking forward to the most? Because we've seen the company being one of the fastest growing companies in the agricultural pump space. How do you see the growth for the company essentially in FY26 and 27 with the backdrop of very high government initiatives like PM Kusum? So what is the kind of growth outlook that you're seeing now that you're listed?
Okay, yeah, thank you very much, and very, very good morning. Definitely, in this present year, FY26, we are looking very good growth, and because government is taking high initiatives and demand is so high, so we are very much confident. Whatever trust shown by our investors in Oswal Pumps Limited, definitely. We are very sure they will be happy, all will be happy, and simultaneously FY27 again we are looking in a very big way. So absolutely, as per our vision and our team's vision, we are quite confident for future growth. Thank you.
So any kind of growth aspect, because when I look at your financials also over the last 2 to 3 years, the growth has been very strong. You almost tripled your growth between FY23 and the 9 months of results that you've declared. So essentially, can we expect a 20 to 25% growth momentum, to say the least, over the next couple of years?
Definitely, as our history, as if we see our all our historic growth, so definitely we are expecting in near future in a good growth path. And as per our historic numbers, so definitely we are very sure in coming years, in coming months, we will get very, very high growth path. So, so we are quite very okay.
Very high growth path, understood. So now, if I look at your business largely operating in the pump space, but agricultural pumps is one of the biggest focus, and I think within those products, the submersible pumps is roughly 67% of your business right now. Is that one of the key reasons why your margins have actually doubled from 15% to 30% over the last 2 years? Because you were largely in the monoblock pumps earlier, and that share has largely been growing at its own pace. But with the increase of the submersible pumps, essentially, will that be the near-term growth driver for you as well?
No, practically we are making all type of pumps, all grid type of agriculture, domestic and industrial pumps. But from so many years, last 5 years, we actively participate in solar pump market, and simultaneously in last 1.5 years, we entered into government business also. So where we got backward integration in entire solar system in last 5 years. So why we got very good margins. And even we have moreover big plans in near future for retain our margin, and even we are seeing in near future our margin will be very good because of introducing solar pump market, because it's a very skilled program. It's a highly technical program is there. So, and we are the key manufacturer in this. We have the best expertise in this sector. Thank you.
So just one question I wanted to take forward on the scheme, as you mentioned as well, the PM Kusum scheme, largely, government incentivizing farmers to use solar energy. Now with that, they are incentivizing farmers to install solar pumps as well, and that's where your growth has also come in over the last 2 years. Specifically, I think the number which I have is roughly 2 to 2.5 lakh pumps is what you've installed already under the scheme. Correct me if I'm wrong, sir, on this number. What is the current scope of the scheme essentially to get the growth outlook for the company as well? How much is the current target by the government? Is it, because it's a very high number, if I'm not wrong, for over 50 lakh pumps is what they're looking to install. So just in terms of market, how many is that the government is looking to install in the scheme over the next few years, and how many do you think you will be able to, install and participate in tenders for, at least if not a direct number, a range if you can give us, sir?
Okay. Basically, if we see about till date, so around more than 7 lakh pumps had been installed. But the government's expectation is more than 8 crore pumps to be solarized in entire nation. So the target is very big, and definitely government is doing and working in a very aggressive manner. So if you can see, only 0.7 million pumps had been installed till today. So future is so phenomenal, and every year government has a big expectation the entire industry should install maximum number of pumps. So with this installation, so nation's agriculturists get benefited. So absolutely, it's a phenomenal growth of agriculture solar pumps there.